how we can do the control using modifier. Okay, so why we are using this one? Using that we can like deform this particular mesh or any object in a better way. Okay, so using modifier we can deform it, so we can get the more control on deformation on top. So what I will do, let me select this one first of all, and let me decrease the size on x-axis and decrease the size on y-axis a little bit like this. Okay, and one more thing, I will increase the size on the axis also a little bit like this. And what I will do, let me do one thing, I will select this one. Okay, and grab over the axis somewhere here. Okay, and let me go back to 3, and I will take this one somewhere on y-axis here. Okay, and what I will do, I will go back to edit mode, and I will take this particular tail and grab over Z and make it little bit bigger somewhere here. And what I will do, let me select this one completely and right click subdivide. Right now it subdivided into 2. So once after that, what I am doing, I am going to object mode. Okay, so now what we need is deform to this particular mesh. In order to have the deformation for this particular mesh, we need one more thing, like we need a lot of vertices, right? So vertices and all we need it. So if I go to edit mode here, you can see for this particular cube we have only few vertices. Okay, few vertices, you can see only 48 vertices we have. So that's why like let me do the subdivide anyway. Okay, so let me subdivide it somewhere, like decrease it like 40 somewhere. Okay, and what I will do, I will go back to object mode only. Now what I will do, see, I will select this one. Okay, I'll select this and shift select this one and control P. Okay, now we have something called as armature deform. Okay, armature deform. So I will click this one. At that time what happened, so you can see if I select this particular bone, grabbing, it is moving properly. Okay, but if I go to pose mode, you can see there is some issue, like grab, it is not taking the mesh anymore. Okay, so let me do control Z. Okay, control Z here, and I will go back to object mode. So basically what happened here, for that I will select this particular object and I will clear the parent. Okay, clear the parent, and once again what I will do, I will select this cube and shift and select this one, control P. I will select armature deform itself. I will show you why. Because if I select this cube right now, no, there is one modifier is added here. Okay, this is what happens actually, like whenever I am trying that armature deform, right? So basically it is adding one modifier here. Now here you can see the object is selected is this particular armature. Okay, you can see whenever I am doing that armature deform, right, there is like these things are happening actually. The modifier is adding, and also you can see the parents also happening. So parents is added here. So these things are happening. But one thing is, like in order to deform it, like we need more than this. Okay, so basically we need vertex group and all. By having only this modifier and parenting, it is not enough. We have to add vertices and all. So how to do that one, we'll check.